Welcome to NUUO NVRsolo training. You're currently in the Install Wizard section, and during this video we will show you how to install your NUUO NVRsolo efficiently. Same as for other recorders from NUUO, the installation of NUUO NVRsolo requires the NUUO Install Wizard. Before starting the installation of your NUUO NVRsolo, you need first to select your language. Here we choose English. After selecting your language, the system will restart automatically. Please note that there are 8 steps to follow in order to configure the basic settings of your NVRsolo using the Install Wizard. There are 2 modes to choose from, the Express mode and the Advanced mode. The main differences between these 2 modes are the network and RAID configuration. For people who are not familiar with network settings, we highly recommend using the Express mode. In this video, we will use the Advanced mode for more detailed configuration. So check Advanced mode and then click on Next. On this page, you can change the default password of your NVRsolo using the virtual keyboard or your keyboard. If you want to keep the default password, which is admin, simply click on Next. After that, you can choose whether or not to activate the built-in DHCP server setup service, depending of course on your needs. If you are not sure about your network environment, we recommend to choose Smart Enable, then click on Next. The next page refers to the network settings, and from there, if you have checked Smart Enable on the previous page, you'll need to ensure that at least one of your LAN 1 or 2, has a static IP. Here, we choose static IP for LAN 1, and we click on Next. On this page, you can configure the IP range of the built-in DHCP server. Here, you can activate your camera's licenses through the online activation. Note that the NVRsolo NS1040 has 4 licenses embedded, and you can expand it up to 8 channels. In order to save time, the auto camera setup assists you to find and automatically add cameras according to the availability of your channels. You just need to click on Setup to start the camera search, and the cameras will automatically be added to your system if they support the UPnP function. Note that the NUUO NVRsolo will use the default username and passwords in order to add the cameras. After that, click on Next. You can also easily configure the date and time of your NVRsolo, and as you can see, the daylight saving time mode is also available. You can enable it and then click on Next. You can opt to receive a notification about firmware upgrades by checking Enable. Then click on Next. From this page, you can create and manage your RAID volume. The RAID level that you can choose will depend on the number of the hard drives that you installed. On this page, you can get relevant information about your NVRsolo. To finish your settings, click on Finish. After clicking it, you need to log into your NVRsolo. Here we have already entered the username and password. Then click on Enter. Now, you're in the Live View interface and you can see the live videos of the cameras added by the Auto Camera Setup feature. For further information on the installation of NUUO NVRsolo on the local side through Install Wizard, please visit the NUUO website at www.nuuo.com.